Here on my Google AdSense dashboard, you can see that I'm making around $300 per month without writing any content, without publishing any article on my website. Hello everyone, I'm Zain from W3 Academy, and today in this video we will talk about how you can earn up to $300 through Google AdSense without writing any content and without publishing any article on your website. So stay tuned. I can understand that writing blogs and then getting it monetized through Google AdSense is very time-taking process. It may take 6 to 12 months to get it monetized and then to start making some money through it. It's very time-taking process, and in this video I will show you the best and the most easiest way to make money through Google AdSense. You don't need to write any content. You don't need to wait 6 to 12 months to get your site approved through Google AdSense. You can start making money in less than a week through Google AdSense by using this technique. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So the basic idea we are going to talk about in this video is you need to publish an online tool. You need to publish a tool on your website so that you can monetize your tool and then you can earn up to $300 per month. I will show you all the real case study. I will show you my examples of how I built a tool and how I'm earning through Google AdSense. So you'll say that, hey Zain, I don't know programming, I can't build a tool, so how can I publish a tool? So you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about building a tool. In this video, I will show you how you can build a tool without programming, without any coding. You just have to, you just get some tool and you just publish that tool on your website, and then you get monetized it and you start earning through Google AdSense. So you don't have to worry about coding. In this video, I will show you everything. So first of all, if I open my tool, w3tools.net, if I open this, you can see that this is a search engine optimization tool, more than 50 plus tools. Like you can see that this is monetized. It is monetized through Google AdSense, and there are more than 50 tools in this tool. So how I built this tool? I will share a little secret here. I haven't built this tool. I just bought it from somewhere and then I published it through my hosting and my domain w3tools.net, and now I have monetized this and I've shown you the statistics that how much I'm earning through this site, through this w3tools.net. So you can build, you can just buy a tool from Code Canyon. If I open Code Canyon, this is the best site to buy tools. Like you can see that by plugins and code. So you'll have to click on this PHP scripts and then you can get thousands of scripts from here. So if I open this tool, like this is the one I've just bought it. So this is the tool I bought from Code Canyon and then I published it on my website. So you can buy any tool from here. There are thousands of tools on this website, codecanyon.net. So you can buy, like you can search here for digital marketing, like you can search for email marketing, SEO, and any tool. You can just get the tool from here, and then you need a domain name and then you need a hosting to publish it on your website. And I will create a full video, full tutorial about how you can buy a code from Code Canyon, and then how can you add, how can you publish your tool on your hosting, and how can you get your domain name like this one, like w3tools.net, and then how can you monetize your site, how can you monetize your site through Google AdSense. So I will create a full video about that. This video is just for giving a simple idea to you, that so that you can make a decision to buy a tool from Code Canyon, and then you can monetize your tool, and then you can earn up to $300 per month using this tool. If we talk about the number of traffic we need to get this amount of money through your tool, I'm not doing much hard work to promote my tool. This is just organic traffic, and I'm getting organic traffic through Google, and then I'm making around $300 per month without doing anything. So this is complete passive income. You don't need to wait 6 to 12 months to get monetized. You can just monetize your site within a week, and then you can start making money through your tool. So you have to go to Code Canyon and then search for a tool. Like you can see that most of the tools cost around 20 to 60, $70. You can just buy it for $40. Like you can see that this is Sumo Web Tools, online web tools tipped. Here are 60 plus tools, so you can just click on this and then you can buy this tool from here. It will cost you around $38, and then your domain and hosting, which cost you around $40 to $60. So it will be a good investment, and it will be a good passive income in the long run. So like you can see that this is a wonderful tool, like online PDF tools and converter, and many people use it through organic search. You can get traffic through organic search, and you can start making money by publishing this tool on your website. So I will make a full video about how you can buy a code from here, and then how you can install your code on your website. So that's the basic idea, how you can earn up to $300 per month without publishing any content, without writing any blog on your website. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.